What's up, online shoppers? If you are tired of getting your hands too close to the fire, moving around, burning logs, whether you're at the trailer or you're camping out in the wilderness or you're sitting at your backyard fire pit, I just might have a solution for you. This is a set of fire tongs that was gifted to me by the brand. It comes in a really compact package. And what's kind of cool about it is you can actually adjust it to two different lengths of tongs. So there's the base right there. The tongs have a really nice grip to them so that if you get a log in here, it's not just going to slip out. So this one here is the end piece. So if you want a shorter tong, you can literally just put this piece onto here, and then you can even move the little end cap here that's got the ring so that you can hang it. But we're going to put it together in its full extended glory. What I like about this right off the bat is that the movement is nice and smooth. There's no struggle to get it to thread. It threads really nice and smooth. There is no setup as far as setup goes. A couple twists and you've got this together, and then you just have to set your length. So if you did want to go with a shorter length, unscrew this knob that's at the end here and twist it in here. Do that on both sides. Then you'd have your shortened width like that. I'm not going to do that. We're going to go for full glory. And we'll put these ones in just like that. Again, super smooth movement. No struggling to get it to thread. Just speaks of quality if you ask me. And the last piece. So there you have it. We have our tongs fully assembled, and you can see that they have a really nice length on them. Now, if you wanted to use it shorter, you could operate it from here. Golf-like grip here. If I grip it closer to the fire, any heat transfer that happens, my hand's going to be insulated by the rubber grip, which is pretty cool. Now the movement, it's pretty nice and easy. Like that, like that. The front here is made of manganese steel, and then the back half here, this is the stainless steel. Of course, they've gone with the manganese steel because it's better for heat resistance. Stretch it out and you can definitely pick up a hefty log, because look at that. You can definitely get something wide in there. It opens up nice and wide. No more struggling to move wood around in your fire pit. I gotta tell you, I think this is pretty awesome. So if you are looking for a really nice set of fire tongs that are going to give you length, quality construction, durability, ability to customize them to the length that you want, and some really nice little hooks on here to hang them up for convenience sake and get them out of the way, this is a really awesome pair. And I think this would definitely make your camping and fire pit experiences better. And I'm certain that this is going to be a family favorite at my house.